Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we are out in the warehouse and we are going to be showing you guys a new pop-up head that we have. It's not these have been around 20-something years. It's the A&A G2. So we get a lot of questions on what to do if the manufacturer discontinues these. They have. These are now discontinued, the style 2s, low flow and high flow. You can see the difference there in the bottom. They have been discontinued by the manufacturer. So we have a few left. But as soon as those are out, the new A&A G2 is going to be your go-to. This fits in the exact same opening, locks in the collar. Nice thing about this, there's not a high flow or a low flow trying to tell what's what. This has an adjustable opening on it, so you can set it to whatever you need that to set to. And it's just a better quality head. So you can look, some of the times with these style 2s, they used to tear or separate right here. You can see how thin that is. If I hold that up to here, you can see how much thicker they beefed up that locking lug there. So this G2 is a really good pop-up head. It uses the exact same 3-prong tool to lock into it and tighten it down. Good product, really reasonably priced as well. It's the manufacturer's OEM pop-up head, always best to go with that. And we have a lot of them here, 2710 West Bell or ePoolSupply.com. Look forward to seeing you guys at the shop. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.